What if I told you a technique that will have you manifesting your desires in 7 days or less? Would you do it? Hello, my powerful creators. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being here today. On this channel, we talk about manifestation, the law of assumption, and personal development. And if you would like to become a powerful creator, all you have to do is hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'm going to give you a powerful manifestation technique that I figured out recently. And it was so incredible when I found out. I was like, okay, let me try this. It worked tremendously fast for me, so I know it will work for my powerful creators. This method is called the Golden 7 method. It's probably one of my favorite techniques now that I have used it and it's worked for me. And it's very easy to do as well. So powerful creators, the first thing you want to do is to create an affirmation that aligns with what you are desiring. But you want this affirmation to declare as if it already happened, that it's already in your life, an affirmation like that. So for example, you could say, I'm so thankful for the $10,000 that came to me easily. I'm so happy to be in a relationship with my specific person. Or you can say, I'm so happy to be in a relationship with, and their name, Jack, whatever their name is. Maybe you're manifesting good grades. I'm so excited that I have all A's in all of my classes. I'm so excited to be going to the school that I desire to go to, and name the school. I'm so excited to be going to Harvard. You want to say it as if it already happened. That's what you want your affirmation to be. So once you created your affirmation, you want to grab a sheet of paper and pen. I like to do this with a sheet of paper and pen because you guys know how much I love to write it in stone. So I like to write it down. If you want to use your notes app, that's fine. But I think it's more powerful to write it down. So whatever your affirmation is, you're gonna take that sheet of paper and pen and you are going to write that affirmation 7 times. Just, you don't have to number it. You can do whatever you want. Doesn't matter what's at the top, doesn't matter. You just need to write down the affirmation 7 times. 7 different times. Okay, powerful creators, for the next 7 days, you are going to either write this affirmation down or you can say it out loud. What I like to do is just say it out loud. I have already written it down 7 times. You want to place that paper somewhere where you can see it often. I like to place mine next to my bed or in my bathroom, whatever it is. What you're going to do is say the affirmation 7 times in the morning, 7 times in the afternoon, so around noon to 3 o'clock, and then 7 times at night, right before you go to bed. So you're gonna do this for 7 days straight. It's important when you're saying your affirmation, or if you're writing it down, it's up to you. If you're gonna write it down, you would write it down in the morning 7 times, you would write it down in the afternoon 7 times, and then you would write it down at night 7 times for 7 days. If you're saying it out loud, you would just say it out loud. Say it out loud in the morning, noon, and night. While you are writing it down or saying it out loud, you want to feel as if you already have that manifestation, as if it already came true, because the affirmation is already in that realm of it's already happened in your life. So I did this with money. I was able to manifest the exact amount, actually not even the exact amount. I got more than the exact amount of money. So it worked for me tremendously fast, in about 3 days for me. So maybe it takes 2 days for you. Maybe it takes 7 days. It's really up to you confirming it and feeling the feelings as if it already happened. You want to do this for 7 days, but do not be surprised if you get it in a day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, even the 6th day. You may get this way before the 7th day. So don't be surprised, because all my powerful creators are powerful like that. What you want to do for sure is just to feel it as if it already happened and say it out loud. I don't really suggest just saying it in your head, because what you want to do is have the 7 times you say it out loud. If you're afraid of someone hearing you, just say it, whisper it. I'm so happy and grateful I have $10,000. I'm so happy and grateful. That's still saying it out loud. Now, in the in-between of those times, so you said in the morning, it's around 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, you want to be thinking that affirmation. That's when you can say it in your mind. Okay, you don't have to, but that's when you could. But you want to have those 3 times a day of you saying it out loud or writing it down. It's helpful to put a timer on your phone, to put a reminder on your phone so you're not forgetting to do this for 7 days straight. You really want to be committed to this. And that's all you do. So get excited about it. I want you to comment below, I manifest easily in 7 days or less. I manifest easily in 7 days or less. I want to see in the comments, I want you to declare that, because you're about to come back to this video and say how it worked. I truly believe it. You're gonna come back and say, Candice, the golden 7 method worked for me. Oh my gosh, that was crazy. I committed to saying it 7 times in the morning, noon, and night. And oh my gosh, I got it. I got my desire. I believe it. I know you're going to come back to this video and let me know that good report. Thank you, powerful creators, for watching this video. Let me know if you have any questions. I will answer them in the comment. And the powerful creator of this video is Lorraine Joy. Lorraine, thank you so much for being a part of the Powerful Creators community. I truly appreciate your love and support. It means so much to me. If you would like a shout out in my next video, all you have to do is hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell notification button, and comment this secret word below. If you like this video, you'll like my next video on the congratulations technique. I know this technique from Neville Goddard will truly work in your life. It's really fun too, so go check that video out now. I love you so much, powerful creators, and I will talk to you in my next video. Have a beautiful day. Bye! Say this affirmation with me to do some much needed self-love. I am enough for all my dreams. I love how I can get through anything. I am worthy of so much. I am always excited to be my authentic self. Say this powerful affirmation if you're ready to manifest financial abundance. Everything is always working out for me. Money flows through me and to me easily and effortlessly. I am grateful to receive all the money I need.